Modelling cars can often feel harder than it should. Surfaces curving in all directions, panels that need to be perfectly smooth, and then you have topology to deal with on top of all that. It can get very tricky very quickly. In this training, my aim is to change that. Instead of wrestling with polygons, you'll define the form with curves. It's fast and intuitive and extremely easy to edit. What this does is to give you a 3D blueprint right in the viewport. You can then snap your geometry on top of it like modelling on rails. You won't need to guess how to flow your edges, the curves will guide you, and the forms will emerge naturally from them. It's a unique method that takes all the stress out of modelling by separating the form from the topology. And once your shapes are built, editing the topology is easy and flexible because nothing is set in stone. So take the guesswork out of modelling cars and join me in foolproof car modelling in Blender.